So if you have a video like this that doesn't quite fit your resolution, here's what you can do. Now you can manually adjust this by just right clicking the clip that you want to adjust. And then you can either select scale to frame size or set to frame size, whichever you need. So for example, let's select set to frame size like this. And then as you can see, it fits perfectly now on my frame. Now, another way for you to fix that is you can just go here on effect controls while selecting the clip, and then you can just select motion, and then you'll get these handles around the clip that you've selected. Now you can just move this around to adjust the size, or you can just go here on the effect controls again, and then you see scale here. You can adjust the scale like this until it fits perfectly on your frames. Now, the last thing that you can do to adjust the frame. So, if you have a clip like this, and then it's going to be the same for every clip on your timeline. If you just want to change the whole frame size of the video that you're creating, what you're gonna have to do is to just select a clip on your timeline, and then go to sequence, and then go to sequence settings here on the top. And then here on the frame size, you can adjust it to the frame size that your original video have. And after that, you can just press OK, and then it will automatically adjust the frame size of your video. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.